Each child has a different struggles facing every day na sila lang po yung nakakaalam. And according to Donald Luckman 2023, the environment plays a very important role in one personal growth. A healthy environment creates a perfect individual. So paano kung yung environment mismo ng bata ang may problema? For example, home. Home is a safety place. Pero paano kung yung home ng isang bata ay di niya ma-feel na safe and secure siya? So that's a really big problem. A child's personality and attitude is affected by one of the social problems or even problems at home. There's too many social problems na kinakaharap ng mga bata, but I'm going to discuss only two. First is problems of students living with a single parent, and second is child abuse. These two are ilan lamang sa mga problema na hinaharap ng mga students sa kanilang pamamahay. According to youth statistics, 70% of children under 18 years old live with two parents, and 23% live with a mother only. And in the case of child abuse, according to World Health Organization, globally, 3 in 4 children or 300 million children aged 2 to 4 experience physical abuse from their parents and caregivers. A child who is abused is more likely to abuse others. And these problems are pinapakita sa mga karakter in one of the best films, The Ron Clark Story. The Ron Clark Story is one of the best movies na nanalo ng Gold Derby Award as TV mini lead actor and also won a Family Film Award as Best TV Movie Drama. The Ron Clark Story ay pinapakita doon the cruel reality kung paano tinatrato yung mga students who belong to CEDC or children especially with difficult circumstances. In the movie, every student ay may sari-sariling problema sa kani-kanilang pamamahay and how they behave in school. The movie Ron Clark Story is the best movie showing the students who have high potential but because of the society na meron sila, napipilitan silang gumawa ng masama to get attention. These characteristics possess on one of the characters in the movie, Tayshian. Ang tingin ng society kay Tayshian ay masamang mata, basagolero, and matigas ang ulo. But the reality is gusto niya lang ng atensyon na hindi nabibigay sa kanilang bahay pagkos sinasaktan lamang siya. Pinubugbog siya ng sariling niyang tatay at ang tingin sa kanya ay failure. At hindi na-appreciate yung talent ni Tayshian sa pagpipainting. Di ba nga sabi ng World Health Organization on child abuse, a child who is abused is more likely to abuse others. So ganun yung nangyari kay Tayshian. He suffered abuse from his father and ginagawa niya din yung pang-aabuso na naranasan niya sa iba. And ang kay Shamika Wallace naman, she belongs to a family with a single parent. Her mother ay walang ng time to appreciate Shamika's intelligence. And wala na ding time si Shamika to give her full potential because of her responsibility na tatayo bilang magulang sa kanyang tatlong nakababatang kapatid because of her mother ay busy palagi sa work and late na umuwi. Kaya when the teacher asked, bakit di kayo gumagawa ng assignments? Reply ni Shamika, got a lot of better things to do. Wala na siyang time para gumawa ng mga school-related na gagawain. In the movie, they divided the students in two groups according to their achievement score. So paano nga makakuha ng mataas na achievement score yung mga students from CEDC, students like Shamika and Tayshian, dahil nga may mga problema sila. So that's the problem of the society. Nakabase lang lahat sa mga matataas ang score, pero the truth is, there's someone out there na mas magaling pa pala, pero hindi lang nila magawa because they are lack of motivation and time. Just like Tayshian and Shamika. Sila ay may mga kakayahan. So in school, where pinapabayaan na lang yung mga students na may mga problema, I recommend a teacher like Mr. Ron Clark, who dedicates his life sa pagtuturo and believe on every students na kaya nila. Sabi nga niya, while putting the barriers very low on students like Tayshian and Shamika Wallace. Kung low yung expectation mo sa kanila, din hanggang doon lang talaga sila. why don't set a higher barrier for them to achieve? So, in conclusion, school needs a teacher like Mr. Ron Clark na naniniwala sa kakayahan ng mga students ay naiintindihan why students behave in that way because nakikita niya yung problema and believe that na hindi lang hanggang doon yung mga students. Natutulungan ang bawat kabataan to achieve more, dream big, and take a risk. Makikita naman sa movie kung paano binago ni Mr. Ron Clark yung mga students who belongs to and how the lowest scores among the students in achievement examination to number 1. Yung mga students na binabaliwala ay ang tingin ay pangapatapon. Binago yon ng isang guro na katulad ni Mr. Ron Clark or Teacher Clark. Ginawang number 1 at nagkaroon ng highest score on achievement examination. Before I'm going to end this video, I hope that you have learned something new and I would like to share the favorite line of Mr. Clark or Teacher Clark that dream big and take a risk.